Hey there you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing some crochet braids for you guys, and I have the butterfly locks. Now I know butterfly locks has been popular since this summer. It came out and a lot of people have been, wrapping their hair and making it. I wanted to do that a while ago, but then I decided to wait until the crochet came out, and it finally came out and I'm excited that I got it. It actually comes in different lengths. We have the 18 inches and we have 24 inches as well. I think we're going to be getting the shorter length, and that's the one I actually wanted, but we haven't gotten it as yet. So once we get it in, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on that, but let me know down below if you guys want to see it, and maybe I'll do it. But it's like a short length. I think it's like 12 or 14 inches. I'm not sure exactly, but I know it's like shoulder length, so I want to try that. But today I have the 18 inches, and this is Janet collection, you guys. This is a Nala Tress collection braids, and we had the, what's it called again? I remember doing it a little while ago and it was really popular. I don't remember the name, but I'll put it on the screen. I did that was popular. And now we have the butterfly locks in the same Nala Tress collection, and this is butterfly locks 18 inches. Like I said, I have it in the color 1B, and this is a slim one, so I'm guessing it comes in a thicker version, I guess. I'm not sure, but I'm excited about it. If it does, I really want to try it. But guys, in this video I will be showing you how I installed this butterfly locks. Let me know what you think. I think it looks super cute. Like, my only regrets is that I have to take this out soon. That's my only regrets. But let me show you how the lock comes and how it looks up front. So this is a lock, pretty much. This is an individual lock, and you guys know the butterfly locks has these little pieces hanging out of it. So in a sense it looks distressed, and it has a pre-looped part up here where you crochet your hair through. You see that? That's a pre-looped part up here, and like I said, this is 18 inches long. So what I noticed, that it says here on the stock card each strand is 100% handmade, and I definitely believe that, because it has like some marley hair on the inside, and on the outside it has like either a water wave or a softer textured hair wrapped around it. So it's actually like a real lock, it's actually like a real lock. They just made it for you, so all you have to do is crochet it onto your hair. Now I did mine individually because I thought it would have looked better that way. But yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. It comes in so many other beautiful colors, and I'll make sure to leave that in the description down below. But let me just get into, before I start showing you guys me installing the hair, this is what the package looks like. And like I said, it comes in a lot of beautiful colors. But guys, each pack comes with 10 strands. Like, I think that's one, well, there's two things I don't like about this here. The first one is that each pack comes with 10 strands. Like, what am I doing with 10 strands? I need at least, even if it's 12, I know that's just two more than 10, but still, even if it's 12 or like 15, I need more hair in one pack. But anyway, each pack comes with 10 strands, and I have 68 strands in my hair right now, so I used 7 packs in total. I mean, it's up to you. I would suggest you braid your hair first, or at least know how many braids you would like in your hair, how many strands, and then you go based off that, so you know how many packs to buy. Like I said, each pack comes with 10 strands. Another thing I don't like about this, and I'll just get it out of the way before I begin, is that what I notice is that it gets loose really easy. So you have to be very gentle with this, okay? Once you're installing it and you start pulling it, be very gentle. Some of them, the hair actually started coming out from the bottom when I was pulling it. Like, if I pulled on it too hard, it started like getting loose at the bottom. So just be very careful with that. That's the only other thing I would say I don't really like, but I mean, it's understandable because, like the card said, it's 100% handmade. So somebody actually sat there and made these locks, so it's not as tight as we might want it to be, but it's still cute and I'm still loving on it. So you guys stay tuned if you want to see how I installed this beautiful butterfly lock. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let's get into it. So I started off by individually braiding my hair, and I decided this time to add some extra braids to it. Normally when I pre-braid my hair, I just pre-braid my hair itself, but at this time I added some extra braid in here just so it's a little bit firmer, it's a little bit more secure and sturdy. I think it worked a lot better. However, I was very careful not to braid it too tight, because of course you're going to crochet the hair underneath it, and you guys are going to see. So you don't want it too tight because you don't want this busting out of your head, okay? So you're pretty much just gonna crochet the hair like you regularly crochet, but once you pull that hair through, especially once you pull the ends of the lock through the loop, that's where you're gonna be very careful, because that's where I noticed that the hair was pulling and some was coming apart and coming loose. So just be careful once you're pulling that through, because the hair is like I said, on the tender side, so you just have to be very careful with it, be gentle with it, okay? And once I got that tight down to the base, of course you're gonna see my hair there still, so you just pull your hair through the lock, okay? So you're gonna take the needle, push it all the way down the middle of the lock, and once you get to the base, you're gonna hook your hair and just pull it through the lock, so that way everything is secure, everything is tucked in there, and you have your first butterfly crochet lock. And you're pretty much just gonna continue doing the same thing all the way through. And guys, remember, do not braid your hair too tight, because once you pull that thick lock underneath, you will have some pain. Now, I did not braid my hair too tight, but at the same time it was still a little bit uncomfortable trying to crochet it underneath, so maybe I should have made it a little looser. But guys, just don't braid your initial braid too tight, okay? So like I mentioned up front, I had 68 braids in total, and I was counting to see how long I took in real time to crochet one braid, and it was about 50 seconds to a minute. So I would say overall it took me about an hour and 10 minutes to get the entire head crochet, and that was if I sat there and did it all the way through, which I did not, so it took me longer. But that's not including the time I actually took to pre-braid my hair before I crocheted it. So overall, I would say this hairstyle probably would run you about 2 to 2.5 hours if you're committed to it and you're sitting there and just doing it. And that's way better, way better than going to the salon and getting it done from scratch, okay? So 2.5 hours, I could definitely deal with that. But guys, as always, just let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comments down below. Let me know if you've tried it before. Well, I mean, it just came out, but let me know if you've tried it from scratch before. Let me know if you have any intentions of purchasing this one. Have you seen it online? Just comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you think this one came out, and I'll see you guys in the giveaway announcement video that will be coming up next. But thank you guys so much for watching, and anything you need, this hair, the crochet needle, the edge control, everything will be linked in the comment section down below, so don't forget to check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!